Jurors deliberating the fate of the first Baltimore police officer charged in the death of Freddie Gray told the judge they're deadlocked. 2 days into deliberations, jurors sent a note to the judge telling him they couldn't make a decision. But the judge told them they have to keep deliberating. Paula Reid is following the story. She joins us from Baltimore, from Washington now, from our bureau there. Paula, great to see you.
Great to see you.
I mean, what would be the consequences if this jury keeps coming back and saying to the judge, nope, we can't come up with a decision?
Well, I was in Baltimore earlier today when the jury came back, and we were shocked after just 24 hours of deliberating. They told the judge they were deadlocked, and of course the judge sent them right back into the room. If they come back tomorrow and say they are still deadlocked, it is likely that the judge will encourage them to continue deliberating. The judge has said he'd like this trial to wrap up by the 17th, so on Friday, but he'll probably ask them to try a few more times. But Contessa, if they are eventually just finally deadlocked, it'll be a mistrial, and Officer Porter could potentially be tried again. Now, that's not good for Freddie Gray's family. That's not good for Officer Porter, and it's certainly not good for the city of Baltimore that has really been waiting for justice in this case. And he is the first of 5 additional officers who will also be charged. All of their trials would have to be pushed back as well because Officer Porter is a material witness against at least one of those other officers.
What are legal experts telling you about how long the jury could go on deliberating? I mean, could it be a few hours? Could it be another day? I mean, and if you come back and tell the judge once you're deadlocked, what are the chances that you find a breakthrough and can get someone on the other side to agree with you and move forward with a unanimous decision?
It'll be interesting to see what happens because when the jurors came back after they had already been sent back to their room, they deliberated for about another hour. When they came back, several of the reporters remarked that a lot of them looked really annoyed. They looked a little ticked off. It looked like it might have been a very tense jury room. So it remains to be seen how much progress they can make. But again, they had only deliberated for 24 hours before they came back and said they were deadlocked. And this judge was not having it, Contessa. And I expect that he will continue to send them back to that room for several days to force them to work this out. It's such a significant trial for the city.
And if they think that they're just going to keep having to deliberate, that might be enough impetus to get them to move forward on a decision. Paula, great to see you. Thank you.